That's how you do it. Well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen, all done, running like a dream, heaps of power, mate. Justin's sending it around in high range, two-wheel drive, and just dominating the dunes, dominating the beach. Doesn't even need four-wheel drive, this thing. It's on 31s, as we said before, but with this turbo upgrade, oh mate. Anyway, Justin, what do you reckon? What do you reckon, man? After this is your first drive off-road?
Yeah, it's just a world of difference. Just driving to the beach. You can just pass people in the overtaking lane without revving, not even needing the downshift. It's great. And then on the beach, you just don't have to do anything. It just drives itself. And then when you want the power, it's all there.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so I took it for a little drive as well, up and down the dunes. I was just in a high range two-wheel drive, and mate, I'll tell you, most vehicles will need four-wheel drive and really send it to get up these dunes, and we're flying up there, we're floating. The vehicle is light, so you know, you're looking at, you know, a little turbocharged four-cylinder, but it's only barely a ton. Just a touch over a ton, so, and floating on big wheels, she really is unstoppable.
On 5 psi.
You're running 5 psi? Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Justin's running 5 psi. No wonder why this thing floats everywhere. Wow, I couldn't believe it. It was like just driving on air. Oh well, literally floating on sand. That's 5 psi, eh? Yeah, no, that's good, man. Too easy, mate. Good one, mate.
You reckon two-wheel?
Go two-wheel. Make sure when you're on two-wheel, give it the berries, aye? There you go, flick to four-wheel drive and out he goes. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's what a turbo does.